Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows which are related to the site Wanger.xyz. Wanger.xyz is a really dangerous site because it displays fake security alerts. It tries to basically trick people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. But if you see these pop-ups by this site, Wanger.xyz, do not trust them. Do not tolerate them. They are fake. So you need to leave this page right away. I also recommend you to scan your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner, and the best place where you can get it is on the site combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other infections which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.